Hi, I'm Taylor,
Hi, I'm Steph.
and we're from Upkey. Today we're downtown talking to students.
Asking them how they prepare for a career fair. We are wondering how you prepare for a career fair.
I usually try to figure out what I'm looking for to begin with and what kind of jobs will be there, so I know what I'm really looking for. Usually fix my resume too.
I basically look at my resume, see if there's anything that I can fit to what the employer is looking for an employee, and go from there.
I would try to figure out what employers would want, like what qualifications I need, what I need to prepare, and try to figure out what questions they might ask me.
Networking to me kind of just comes easy. So I've never really seen like fairs as a place for me really to go. I use LinkedIn strategies really well to get in contact and to build my network.